Hello everyone, this is Crypto TV, and today I want to talk with you why the crypto market is keep falling. As you can see right now, everything is on red and keep falling from the beginning of May. We're still keeping on dropping the price slowly down. We had some recoveries, but overall, as you can see, each time we go lower and lower. Now, as you can see here on the 1 month chart, you can see that almost from 60,000 at the beginning of May to this point we are around $34,000 for one Bitcoin. The prices keep dropping down, and the question is asked why it is still happening. Now, one of the theories that everybody talks about right now is Wyckoff distributions, where we say big banks and for example JP Morgan and other that started investing in Bitcoin, and hedge funds were slowly buying more and more, and now they are dumping all the bags on us to lower the price, okay, so they can enter again at lower price. A lot of people think right now we are between phase D and phase E. Either we are on the last phase where we are dropping down more and more, or maybe we'll still have a midpoint recovery, or maybe we already had one when we went above 40k for a couple of days. Still not sure about this, but overall we do see that we are on the path or going down more and more. You can read about every point in this Wyckoff distribution scheme here down below in explanation. There is a ton of YouTubers that speaking about this. All I want to say is just few words that basically it is a person, Wyckoff, that died almost 100 years ago. All he wanted to do is teach the poor and the simple man how the market is working, so we can ride the waves and make the maximum benefits out of this, instead of fighting it whenever it is go down. Try to buy more whenever it go up, to buy even more because he thinks it may keep going up, and etc. Basically just saying that when everybody talks about this, it is usually one of the last stages before it is will drop down, and this is about it. I mean, honestly, just in a two sentence, what is Wyckoff distributions? Now, one thing that no one really talks about right now, it is in the beginning of year when Tesla announced that they are buying Bitcoin. We had two more announcements from MasterCard and Visa card. As you can see, MasterCard announced on February 10 that they are going to support crypto on their network, as well as a Visa card allowing payment settlement using cryptocurrency. That was 28 March, around the end of the month of March. Now, I'm not saying that these two big companies will buy just like Tesla or invest a lot of money into cryptocurrency, but it is likely to happen, since if they want to let people work with cryptocurrency on their platform, they either need to make some arrangement with an existing platform that will automatically buy and sell cryptocurrency and transfer it into US dollars, for example, or more likely they will probably have their own pool of liquidity where they have money in cryptocurrency, that if someone want to buy right now or sell their cryptocurrency, I mean, use the credit card for buying anything. So even if for at some point of time we have more buying than selling, or more selling than buying, we don't really have the problem of Visa card don't have cryptocurrency at that moment. They need to buy it from somewhere, and making the transferring slower, because Bitcoin, for example, has only 2 transactions per 10 seconds, which cannot really work well with the MasterCard or Visa card that have over 60,000 transactions per second. So I'm pretty sure they will have their own pool of Bitcoin for buying and selling for any moment. So probably they will invest money. Now, if we ask ourselves this, the next question, if they announce in the beginning of year they are going to work with Bitcoin, and most likely they will invest into this, and the end of year is slowly coming. I mean, we're right now in the middle of the year, and then say after summer and by the winter they probably will allow to use, at least in some countries, the cryptocurrency with their network. Then the next question is, why they don't buy it right now on the sell-off, right? Seriously, from the moment they announced to this point of time, it is on 50% sell right now. So why they don't enter this market? Why they are not buying some reserve for the future? Probably what I'm thinking at least is that they have their analysts that saying this is not the lowest point that Bitcoin will go this cycle. Probably we're still not in the end of the bearish market, or at least we're right now entering the bearish market. They still can buy it even on cheaper prices. And this is the reason I think right now these two big companies are yet to announce they are buying Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other cryptocurrency. Because remember, these two companies are public companies. They need to announce any big investment they're doing for their shareholders. So most likely we will see this in the news once they do decide to buy the cryptocurrency, and I do believe they will. So what I'm saying is keep an eye on the news. Not only the news of big hedge funds and banks says that the price of Bitcoin should be higher, or it will spike in the end of the year for example, I don't know, 100,000 and etc. Wait for the news where they start saying we are buying right now, or we bought for the last week or on the last dip. This is when you will see that the market is actually recovering, rather than they trying to increase the prices, and maybe Vankov was really right, and all they do is simply trying to sell on us their bags of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency they are been generating for a long time on higher price. So simply saying that, keep an eye for upcoming news. I'm pretty sure they will soon come. Anyway, this is all for this video. I would like you to put a like, subscribe to my channel, and have a great day. Bye bye.